When you're done eating chicken, don't throw out the bones. Instead, what we want to do is boil them in a pot.
This will loosen any excess meat and soften the bones. And no, we're not making soup.
After boiling, strain the bones out. Run them over cold water and the meat should just come right off. Boom, clean bones. The next thing you want to do is put them on a pan and bake them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees.
That's gonna sterilize the bones and get them ready for what's next.
Take the bones out of the oven, add them in a blender or a grinder, and turn the bones into a fine powder. Right now what you have here is a super awesome magical golden powder packed with phosphorus and calcium. Mix 1 teaspoon of it with some water and then feed your plants some bone meal. Plus, your dogs will love it too. They sell this stuff in stores to save you money and make your own right at home.